Kadavulevu. Thank you. Thank you. Kadavulevu. Naka. Kadavulevu. Thank you. Thank you. Kadavulevu. Naka belum naka. Gimet. Kadavulevu tugas. Naka. Naka. Kadavulevu bisa betul dia. Kadavulevu.
The triumphs, the sorrows, the fierce rivalries, and the incredible moments that have made this such a memorable competition. There are few other events on our rugby calendar that capture the public imagination of our favorite competition we have for this game, these competitions. And the proof of that is all around us tonight as RKS celebrate their well-deserved Dean's Trophy. Let me begin by saying thank you all to our ruggers for representing their schools, especially in the last few weeks, with pride and sportsmanship, and for putting on such impressive performance on the field. And I'd like to especially thank Queen Victoria School, who also deserve full credit for putting up such a fight for the championship. And thank you to our families and fans. Thank you to our families and fans for supporting these athletes, for celebrating their victories, and for lifting them up when they've fallen short. Every year, these games do more than give us great competition. They give us a glimpse into the future of Fijian rugby. So many of our rugby greats started right here, competing for the Dean's final. And so many of our competitors will one day go on to become greats themselves and inherit the proud legacy of championship rugby we've earned in Fiji. Kadavulevu Londoni, done so ni mai toro ni kuana na todo ni kuana kurubule Londoni, ni mai kongkota ke de ono na final of Kadavulevu. Kadavulevu KBS. Kadavulevu na be kurubule todo ko bagay tabi na mani tolu bada na mada sa sibi. Keruangan dasar apa cikgu na Super 15 na nabi Singapura wai tu tu, mina boleh. Sampai pandang gitu, tutup baga uci. Noi takin na wajib gua na nonton gitu nabi yang bagi tu tu. Memang mina kata gitu na nomning gitu na tahu bau nabi Singapura, mina boleh.
Thank you very much, sir. First and foremost, we will call the captain of the runner-up team today, the QBS Under-18 team, MOC Naminga Jr. MOC? Yeah. He walks away with $2,500 cash check from Coca Cola Fiji Limited. Vodafone Fiji is providing a mobile phone also, so don't tell us what whether it is S8 or S7. He will reveal that to us later on. Also, we have sponsorships from My TV, They're getting 1 meal pass from McDonald's, a free ticket to Damoda Cinemas, and a shield. Second, ladies and gentlemen, the best player, the best and fairest player is the number 8 for RKS, Anuilangi Mirialolo. He's taking home with him $400 cash, a medal, a plaque, a Vodafone, and a return air trip to New Zealand or Australia.
Thank you. Again, congratulations, Ratu.